So welcome once again to our JavaScript class. Today we are actually taking a step ahead, and like before we have been looking at data type, and we have been able to discuss about number, string, array and object. But today we are actually going to start another thing entirely called function. So we are going to take it from the secret sum of the function. We are going to be looking at inbuilt function for JavaScript code. So today let's quickly look at an example here. The function that I'm having here today is math.random. So what is the essence of this math.random? The math.random is an inbuilt JavaScript function that enables us to generate a random number from 0 to 1. So if you check the screen, you can see that the 0 is the inclusive and the 1 is the exclusive. So for you to do that is very simple. So let's quickly say that you want to generate a random number from 0 to 1. It's just a very short code. As we proceed, we are going to be looking how we can be using all these functions along with our code. So as usual, we are going to be using document.getElementById to output our results. So let's quickly look at it. We are going to be using our documents.getElements. We are going to be using getElementById, and we have already declared an ID inside our HTML called demo, right? Then in the HTML, this will enable us to configure or to change the element inside the ID. Now, the function we are actually looking at is what? Random math.random. So math.random is the function we are actually looking at. So we are actually going to put the functions here called math.random. So this is how you enter it. Then you are going to put in your parentheses there. Then you are going to end it. So this is how you easily declare this function on your JavaScript. So this function enables us to generate a random number from 0 to 1 in decimal. So let's really look at the output of this code. So let's go to our sum, and you see we are able to generate a random number from 0 to what? To 1 and in decimal. So if I click refreshing this page, it's going to be generating a random number. So can you see it will keep generating a random number from 0 to 1.